The objective of this presentation is to overview our tool IWIPT, an integrated wireless indoor planning tool by TWASSol. IWIPT, the tool produced by our startup company, is a resultant of the work of 3 PhD holders, 3 research engineers, 1 software engineers, and we have out of this 7 master theses, 10 bachelor theses, and more than 7 conference publications. We have been funded for our prototype by ITIDA, and we have industrial collaboration with Vodafone Egypt. Our mission in IWIPT is to empower our customers to optimize their indoor networks with the vision that we will become the leader tool for optimization of indoor cellular local area network and personal area networks under the core values of 360 degrees fairness, commitment, teamwork, ambition, and innovation. The core driving motivation for our tool is the tremendous growth of mobile data, where it's projected that by the year 2020, 30.6 exabytes, which is 10 power 18 bytes, will be generated monthly, with 80% of this data generated indoors. Such tremendous growth has been continuously outpacing technology, where we have already gone through 4 generations of cellular networks and we're thinking about 5G even before 4G has been established across the globe. The same trend could be noticed in Wi-Fi networks that has gone through at least 6 standards of 802.11. Our goal in IWIPT is to move ahead by providing our customers the tool to design, plan, evaluate, and optimize their indoor networks within the bounds of the current technologies. So IWIPT is a tool to optimize indoor distributed antenna systems, where a typical DAS is comprised of a set of antennas that are distributed within the indoor environment and interconnected to the base station through a feeding network composed of coaxial cables, splitter tablets, and attenuators. IWIPT provides the vehicle for our customers to design a number of locations within the indoor environment to optimize the cable routes within the feeding network, along with using splitters, tappers, and attenuation to achieve target powers at antennas, all this with the objective of maximizing the capacity of the base station. The steps of using IWIPT starts with an input modeling phase, where we can either import a building layout from an AutoCAD file, or we can go through a manual drawing process over the tool. This is followed by the second phase of planning, where we can utilize the RF components within our database to manually or automatically design the coverage network as well as the feeding network. The third phase is the simulation setup, where we can define which wireless channels will be utilized, what is the technology that is supported, and what are the evaluation metrics that will be evaluated. The last phase is the visualization and the reports, where we are able to display the results or export documentation reports for the layout and as well for the results. IWIPT supports different views for design evaluation purposes. So you can either have a heat map for the indoor design. It is then possible to visualize the heat map for each sector within the network solution. It is also possible to display a best sector map. And finally, IWIPT also supports a view for handover analysis. Upon the conclusion of any design, it is possible to export an equipment list, a cost, a link budget, or a component report to a text file or a CSV file. We support multiple benefits through IWIPT. Customers can save by economizing man-hours through our automated design feature. They can minimize implementation costs by reducing the number of antennas and the network infrastructure. We provide professional support. Customer satisfaction is our requirement by achieving quality of service. We provide a customization of our tool feature for our customers. And finally, from our knowledge and background, we provide technical academic training excellence. We derive our competitive advantage from the low-cost strategy that is based on the fact that the main competitors are either European or North American based, and therefore we are able to provide our tool at significantly lower costs. Moreover, we have customized our material database to the building code of the region in the Middle East. Finally, we are currently developing a mobile app version for optimizing home networks, which is a feature that is not existent currently in competitor tools. We thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope that it has provided the necessary overview for our integrated wireless indoor planning tool.